Hey folks, so this week we're going to focus on primary secondary research. As a reminder, primary research is research you conduct yourself in the world, like observing something, conducting an interview, distributing a survey, something like that. Secondary research is reading about the research others have conducted, as in a journal article or TED Talk or anything like that. So we're going to start out by expanding our own research base by finding three more, at least, good scholarly or academic sources using the WCC databases. In the academic world, academic journal articles are the gold standard because these journal articles have the most rigid peer review process. Most, but certainly not all, of the articles published in academic journals have solid information that you can rely upon. We're also going to be looking at more popular sources here. Many of our research projects don't necessarily have a lot of journal articles written about them. Plus, there's just so much good stuff out there that it's not academic. You want to be able to go find that stuff here. So we're going to do all of that here. There's a context here that explains it. So we're going to spend some time adding to the three sources we already have so they have a solid research base. Having that solid base enhances our credibility, what is called our ethos. That's what you want. You want to be a credible writer. Then we're going to look at note taking. Most of you by now have a note taking process, but I found that most students at this academic in their academic careers where you are haven't yet developed a fully functional system. So we're going to review note taking a bit and then put that system into practice in this big research project we're working on here. Make sure you read the suggestions here because I offer some ideas here that are more than what's in the video we'll be watching. We're going to then turn our attention to conducting a survey, composing a survey, sorry. We're all going to compose a survey as part or all of our primary research. And so we'll take some time to study the form. What makes a good survey question? We're going to draft a survey of our own, and we're going to post and get feedback on it. But don't worry, we're not aiming for to be masters of survey writing here. We're all going survey writing is an art form. We're just going to try it out, see if we can get one that's good enough for our own purposes. So give it a shot, see what you get some feedback. Full points for doing it. We're going to then return to working with secondary sources at the end of the week and look at synthesizing sources, which is probably something you all did in English 101 at some point, which most people at this point in their careers haven't yet mastered. We're going to try to get good at it. Synthesizing sources is super important. It marks an accomplished academic professional writer. In essence, as you'll find out if you don't remember, synthesizing sources represents a mode of thinking. It's using ideas from multiple sources on a single topic and then developing an idea from those sources. Sometimes that idea is simply cumulative, these sources agree, or possibly it's a new idea. These sources have slightly different views, which means something. In any case, we're going to study synthesizing sources by watching a video and then studying one student's use of it in a sample report. We're hoping we can employ that technique in our final research reports. Okay, so that's what we got going this week. Have a little bit of fun, and we'll talk to you later.